Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that the screen on your Lenovo flops backwards on its own, you're not alone. This issue usually arises due to a faulty hinge or worn-out components that are essential for maintaining the screen's position. If left unresolved, it could lead to further damage, making repairs more complicated and costly. To fix this problem, you'll need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement hinge for your specific Lenovo model. Now, let's get started with the repair. First, ensure the device is powered off and disconnected from any power source. Use your plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover of the laptop. Be cautious and work your way around the edges to avoid damaging the casing. Once you've successfully opened the device, locate the hinge assembly. This is usually situated near the screen on both sides. You may find some screws securing the hinges in place. Carefully use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, keeping them safe for reassembly. After removing the screws, gently detach the faulty hinge from its position. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any hidden screws or cables that may be obstructing it. Take your time to avoid damaging any surrounding components. With the old hinge removed, take the new replacement hinge and align it correctly with the mounting points. Reinsert the screws you previously took out and ensure they are tightened securely, but do not over-tighten as this may lead to further issues. Once the hinge is in place, it's time to reconnect any cables that may have been detached during the process. Make sure they are snug, but be cautious not to apply too much force. After everything is back in place, carefully reattach the back cover of your Lenovo. Ensure it clicks into position securely. Finally, power on your device and test the screen by gently opening and closing it to verify that the issue has been resolved. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to handle your device with care, avoid placing excessive pressure on the screen, and regularly check for any signs of wear on the hinges. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.